I am in an in-game Fortnite dev. Make sure to watch the full entire video if you guys want to learn how to get this. I'm literally in an in-game dev right now. I can build, I can literally pick up weapons, shoot weapons. This is crazy. Yo guys, my name is FC Radius. I make custom Fortnite dev tutorials on how to get Fortnite dev on your PC and any console. Make sure to watch the full entire video if you guys want to learn how to do this. And you guys can get Renegade Raider and any other skin and load up inside of Fortnite in game. And yes guys, we are in chapter 3. I'm at chapter, and yes guys, we are in chapter 2, season 3. This is crazy. Make sure to watch the full entire video. But without further ado, let's just showcase this, guys. We're literally gonna land at the authority right now. And what we're gonna do, guys, is we're just gonna go on this helicopter right here and go absolutely insane. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. We're gonna try to get as much kills as we can and maybe even take out the Jules boss. If you guys even remember who that even is, because this season is super old. But yeah, guys, if you guys want tutorials like this every single day or every single week, make sure to watch the full entire video. Drop a like on today's videos. We are literally so close to 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, and that is literally my goal. So make sure to drop a subscribe, and I will keep making tutorials on this topic. But we're just gonna dive right into it and just go for the boss. Where is she? Oh shoot, henchman! No. I'm dead. Okay. And there you guys go. Also, you guys can only play 5 minutes of this dev. So, but honestly, it's pretty cool and it's kind of worth it. Oh, I'm dead. This literally has to give me a weapon or I'm dead. Oh, okay. Minis. She's coming for me. Okay. I could still take her out. Where is she at? Alright, should I just go down there and actually go menace mode? Oh, okay. 86. Oh, dude, I'm 1 HP. I just died to a henchman, guys. But anyway, let's continue the video. Alright, so you guys want to head into the link of the description. Once you guys are here, what you guys want to do is you guys simply want to go in the link in the description and click these 3 links. All you guys want to do is click the first link, which is my Temu link, and you guys want to sign up with an account. Just use your phone, scan this QR code. Make sure you don't press this link. Make sure you guys sign up with an account. And you guys don't already have an account, make sure to sign up with an account after you press my link. Don't sign up before you press the link. Make sure to do after, and you guys can actually win up to $200. But yeah, guys, that's all you guys want to do. Close that out, get to the next process, and subscribe to myself on YouTube. I went on eBay, and once you guys subscribe to myself on YouTube, you guys want to go back onto the recognized link and subscribe to one of my friends, which is X Shadow. Subscribe to both of us, and then you guys can finally unlock the link. That's all you guys have to do to unlock in-game dev, and I promise this is legit, guys. Just press unlock link once you guys have completed both of those steps, and please wait 15 seconds after you subscribe. Also, make sure to read this message. Unlock link. And now you guys want to press I'm not a robot and continue by doing free access with ads and wait 3 seconds, and then you guys can close this out. And then AVG secure browser, you guys just want to go install and launch AVG browser, press save, and then you guys can just close this out after it shows the check mark. And then once it shows the check mark, you guys can press close out and then continue to FN dev. And then what you guys can do is press download Fortnite dev. And then you guys want to go on this folder. If you guys don't have WinRAR installed, just make sure to install WinRAR. If you don't, that's perfectly fine. You don't need it entirely yet. All you guys want to do is double click on that link. It's going to take you to here, which is right here, guys. Once you guys are here, you guys want to double click on the advertised link that it downloaded. Press yes, it's going to run as an administrator. Press OK. And then you guys want to go next. Make sure to decline these promotions and then press open. It's finally going to take you to my Discord server, my amazing Discord server, where you guys can finally install all these downloads. Now, I also do have my own downloads, which is right here, which is Project FC. If you guys want more information on that, you guys can click this video on my server. But this is not in-game dev. While this is in-game dev, you guys want to go into that Beacons AI link that I pressed, and then go on RexFN dev. Once you guys are here, just press I'm not a robot, and go through the same process that you did earlier. This should only take a couple of seconds, and then once you guys have done this, you guys don't actually have to sign up with an account. All you have to do is actually download it onto your device, and then continue with that. And once you guys have got that check mark, you guys can finally close out of that. Pretty simple process, guys. Like I said, please make sure to be patient with this. It's definitely worth it in the end. And then you guys can finally close this out. And then once you guys have done that, you guys can press continue to RexFN dev. And then download it like you did previously. Press save. Double click on the download. And then what you guys want to do is press yes. Pretty simple, guys. And then you guys want to press next. Decline these promotions and then press open. Once you guys have done that, it's going to take you to the RexFN Discord server, which is right here, guys. Once you guys have done that, you guys can go on Season 13 and then just go on Season 13 installer. Click that. Make sure you're in the in-game dev channel, as you guys can see. In-game dev channel. Make sure you're in that channel. And then you guys can press Season 13 installer. Continue to download. And then you guys can press save. Double click on the installer. And then what you guys want to do now is listen very closely, because this is where the steps can get confusing. Enter the number 0. Press enter. And then where it says ask for a path file, all you guys want to do is press new. Right click on your desktop. Press new folder. And then you guys want to name this in-game dev. You can name whatever you want. Just name it in-game dev. Double click on that folder you created, and then copy the URL at the top. Copy that link, go back onto the prompt, paste it, and then enter. Now you guys have finally done that, and then you guys can finally just wait. It's going to take 30 minutes up to an hour, depending on your PC. It could take past an hour, but just be patient with this. I have very fast PC, so it only takes 25 minutes. I'm going to close this out because I already have this installed, but make sure you guys don't do that. You guys want to fully install that. You guys can't skip it like I just did. I just skipped it because I already have the files installed right here. And then next, you guys want to go back onto the Discord server. And then you guys want to go in this RexFN dev. And then you guys want to go through another linkvertise process. Go on free access. And then download website. Press save. And then double click on the website again. And just go through the same process you did. You shouldn't have to go through any worries about going through links or anything like that. Decline these promotions. Press open. And then you guys want to go save. Double click on the launcher, and finally, guys, more info, run anyway. And there you guys go. You guys are finally at the launcher, and then you guys can press get code. And finally, there's another link test process that you guys have to do. I promise this is the last one. Press free access, and then you guys want to go do download RexFN key generator. Press save. Double click on the RexFN download. Press yes. And then you guys want to go on next. Decline these promotions. Open. And there you guys go. You guys should have the key right there. Copy the key, go back onto the download, paste the key, press login, and then once you guys are here, guys, all you guys want to do is you guys want to go on Swapper, and then any skin that you want to do, you guys can enable it. I'm going to enable the Pink Gold Trooper because I previously wore Renegade Raider, and then go on main, click the 3 dots, and then you guys want to go on to the desktop, and then go on the folder you created, and then press select folder, and then you guys want to do log in. Make sure to log into the desired Fortnite account which you want to redeem this Fortnite dev on, and then close out of that. And then you guys can finally press launch, and you guys can enjoy your in-game dev. I'm going to show you guys that this actually works. I know there's tons of processes, but if you guys are still watching, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment W down below, and I will heart your comment, and I will subscribe to you on YouTube. All you have to do is comment W down below, and I will do those things. I'm just going to prove to you that this is actually legit, because I'm sure you guys are probably annoyed with all the process that you guys had to go through just to be able to actually get this dev. and then you guys can press Battle Royale. And then what you guys want to do from there is literally you guys want to go on to the play button, and then you guys can load into in-game dev. Pretty simple, guys. All you guys want to do is press play, and then you guys can load into the game. As you guys can see, and then as you can see, we finally loaded into in-game dev. But yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of today's video. As you can see, we have successfully done this, and we even have another Renegade Raider. We have a couple Renegade Raiders in the game, which is pretty cool, guys. As you can see, this completely worked, which is absolutely sick. But yeah, guys, we are in-game dev right now. Make sure to drop a like on the video if you guys want more in-game dev tutorials like this. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. It's been your boy Radius. Peace.